DELTA PC-based multi-axis motion control solution adopts EtherCAT communication with scalability, flexibility, and excellent customization. A complete solution including host controllers, servo systems, AC motor drives, and remote I/O modules. DELTA PC-based controller controls 100 slave stations, enables 64 axes of motion within 1 millisecond cycle time, connects 128 slave stations via 2 motion control cards, for a total control of up to 228 stations. Executes CSP, CSV, CST multi-axis synchronous motion and AIO or DIO monitoring and control. Ideal for cell phone and lens assembly, AOI inspection, and wafer cutting. DELTA PC-based motion control solution employs EtherCAT communication for synchronized motion and multi-axis control. Applications include consumer electronics, semiconductor equipment, and automated control of stage, lighting, and screen lifting.